Hi, Chandrika. Hi, Vidya.
Meeting is being recorded.
Hi, Gana.
Okay, so we have done the blending in yellow. Now we'll be doing now this. So have you all done? If not, just do it in round. See that you'll not have any white spaces. After yellow, we'll be doing on orange. Okay, do it in this way. Round.
Should be how teacher is doing.
Okay, round.
Round.
Oh, yellow and orange.
Yeah, you can blend yellow and orange. Beautiful.
White mix.
See that yellow and orange is mixed, Viva. See that?
Yellow and orange mix.
Separate, right? Yellow and orange. Viha, చూడు. Yellow orange కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, ఆ రెండు కూడా కలిసిపోయేలాగా బ్లెండ్ చేయండి. This way, take tissue paper and do again.
This is fine. This one.
ఇది ఉంది కదా, అది ఇది మిక్స్ చేయాలి. రౌండ్ చేయాలి.
ఏ కలర్స్ సెపరేట్ గా కనపడకూడదు. ఓకే,
ఏ కలర్ సెపరేట్ గా బ్లెండ్ చేస్తే ఇలా రౌండ్ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. ఇలా రౌండ్ చేయి. వైట్ స్పేసెస్ ఉంది కదా, అది మిక్స్ విత్ కలర్.
యా
I can't do this. So
యా కొంచెం చేయి నొప్పి పెడుతుంది, బట్
mine is not even hurting.
yeah, this is a good exercise for your fingers. Okay, your fingers
Also, mine's not even hurting.
All the way up to blend.
your fingers become very strong now when you're doing this.
Mine is not even hurting or anything.
Oh wow, then that means you're very strong.
మిక్స్ చేసి.
Actually, mine is not even hurting too.
That's okay. మా హ్యాండ్ పెయిన్ ఏం రాదు. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఇలా బ్లెండ్ చేసి.
నీ హ్యాండ్ స్ట్రాంగ్ అవ్వాలి కదా.
I can't do that. So your exercise.
ఫస్ట్ చేసి బ్లెండ్ చేసేసి ఇవన్నీ ఇలా వైట్ కనిపించకూడదు. చూడు హౌ టీచర్ ఇస్ డూయింగ్.
చూడు.
హోల్డ్ ఇట్ ప్రాపర్లీ అండ్ బ్లెండ్ ఇట్.
Hold it.
That's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. నీకు వచ్చినట్టు.
పర్ఫెక్ట్ అక్కర్లా, జస్ట్ బ్లెండ్ అవ్వాలి అంతే. ఓకే, మనకి అన్ని కలర్స్
చూడు హౌ టీచర్ ఈస్ డూయింగ్. ఫస్ట్ బ్లెండ్ ద ఆరెంజ్ అండ్ రెడ్, దెన్ గో టు బ్రౌన్. ఓకే, we are doing bottom to top. Blend.
Okay, Viha, now you have see Viha, you have like we can see the brown and red, right? Yes, you can see the same colors. So what we do is
round circles.
yeah.
It is good.
Okay. Chandrika, we can see all the colors differently, right? We can see the black, we can see the brown. Yeah. Now what you can do is you can take a little bit of brown. You can take a little and draw some lines over here. Nana, ఒకవేళ మీకు అన్ని కలర్ భౌతిక్ చూడు డిఫరెంట్ అన్ని కలర్స్ కనిపిస్తే what you can do is కొంచెం బ్రౌన్ తీసుకొని on the top where brown and black is there, we can draw some lines into here. Okay, and so this is the way we cover everything, and we see that
It got a brown.
dark brown. We have look here.
That's not dark brown.
Now this brown and
Mess up, Mama.
Baltic, that's fine. This is dark brown only. This one only, right?
yeah, that one only. Chandrika, good job. Brown and black is mixed. Very good. Very good. Yeah, nice. You can draw near red also. V1, you can draw near red. Okay. Now what we do is we'll draw near red color. We'll take red color. And we'll just draw few lines where brown and red is starting. Okay, joining here. Okay, this place. And we'll draw few lines and blend again.
Blend again.
Okay, you can draw
Blend chain, Anna. Everybody is doing. Look how all of your friends are doing.
the exercise. Fingers strong. Avala avadda Bhautik.
That's okay. Slow. Your bones are.
Your bones.
Black.
Bhautik, egg tintava nuvu.
Egg తింటావా నువ్వు?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, daily you have 2 eggs. So you'll have your fingers becomes even more strong and you can punch also anyone.
I don't eat eggs anymore.
No, you,
ఎందుకురా?
Hey, you guys don't give me.
oh. Okay, from now on you.
బ్లెండ్ చేయి, బ్లెండ్ చేయి,
Next one.
బ్లెండ్ చేయి ఇక్కడ బ్లాక్ ఇలా చేసి బ్లెండ్ చేయి,
You're done. Show it.
Okay,
బ్లెండ్ చేయి, బ్లెండ్ చేయి.
good done. Very good, Vivan. It's nice. Wow, good. Vivan,
బ్లాక్
red color and you can blend here. Take red
What do I have to keep putting on?
lines near brown and
రౌండ్ 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 బ్లెండ్ చేయి.
You know, finger of the
Chandrika, you also can do the same, dear. Your brown is blended very
బ్లెండ్ చేయరా,
and
ఇలా బ్లెండ్ చెయ్యి.
see this
చూడు.
Wait, what did you say?
brown and
కొద్దిగా లైట్లీ మోర్ షుడ్.
I can't hear you.
yeah, can everyone mute yourself, please?
Mute, Vivan.
Unmute.
Yeah, mute yourself. Yeah. Right. Now, Chandrika, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have this brown and red meeting point, right? Starting point of red color.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you take some red color and blend a little bit here. Yeah. Brown on top. Yeah. On top. Yeah. Right. You can blend there, draw few lines and blend. Viha, you also can do the same thing. You can take red color and just draw few lines near the brown and red and blend. Vivan, if at all your color also is, if at all it is different, if at all you can make 2 different colors, you can just blend that, okay? And now you can use your finger also to blend in this way. You can blend with your finger also in this way. Okay? And if at all you feel red and orange is seen differently, take orange or scarlet and blend over here. Where you
Is this
feel,
good?
yeah, where it is, yeah, yeah, it's good. And you can just blend with your finger a little bit, okay? You can just draw very lightly. Don't use too much pressure. Your finger will hurt. Just try, do it very softly. Okay. And you can just mix the color. Now we find this yellow and scarlet different, right? So what you can do is take medium yellow or chrome yellow. Take medium yellow or chrome yellow. And do a little bit over here near the orange and yellow. Draw a few lines, maybe in slanting lines or straight standing lines, but see that it is coming in curve in this way. Okay, once that is done, you can just blend that with your finger very slowly. Don't give too much pressure, very slowly give round, round, round so that it will be blended easily. And that comes a little bit onto the yellow. Okay, Ila. Okay, once that is done, come to this point and see that you are doing good. With other finger, don't blend with the same finger which we have done with red color. Take another finger, maybe your ring finger, and do this here. Okay, now you have all the dust over here, right? All the crayon dust. Take the your fresh tissue and just blow it, remove the dust in this way. Or you can just blow it with your mouth. Yeah. Okay. Now this is done. Now what we do? What we'll do?
We remove the tape.
No, before that, what we'll do is, yeah, you can remove the tape. Now remove the tape very slowly, okay? Remove the tape. Everyone can remove the tape very slowly. See that your paper doesn't tear. So that's the reason we say to remove the glue first. If it all glue ekkunte paper chinipotundi manamu ila peel chesetappudu ee paper. So manam vere frame em cheyinchukunda, this is the thing. And now how we can protect this is you can protect all your coloring things with this fixative. Camel వాళ్ళది ఆర్టిస్ట్ ఫిక్సేటివ్ అని స్ప్రే దొరుకుతుందండి. ఇఫ్ నాట్ లేదంటే పెట్టారు అని అంటే మీకు మేబీ దట్ గెట్ డిస్టర్బ్. సో యూ కెన్ టేక్ దిస్ ఫిక్సేటివ్ అండ్ స్ప్రెడ్ ఇట్. ఓకే, వి వాంట్ టెల్ ఇట్. ఇస్ యువర్ మామ్ దేర్? సో ఆర్ట్ వర్క్స్ అన్ని వీళ్ళు స్కూల్లో చేసిన ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కానీ ఇది కానీ ఎనీథింగ్, ఇఫ్ ఎట్ ఆల్ యూ వాంట్ టు ప్రిజర్వ్ దెమ్ ఫర్ లైఫ్ లాంగ్, take ఈ ఫిక్సేటివ్ ఒకటి దొరుకుతుంది ఆన్లైన్ లో. I'll send the link. Just keep a distance a little bit. Ante maybe if at all you are holding this way, hold it this ఇంత దూరం పెట్టేసి spray చేయండి.
Okay.
But do this outside, not inside the house, because it has a pungent smell. So just do it outside. And now And now one more thing you have to do. What is that? Who did this work? ఈ కలరింగ్ చేశారు.
ఇది ఎవరు చేశారు నాన్న?
ఎవరు చేశారు?
నేను.
నువ్వు చేసావా? నువ్వు అంటే ఎవరు? నీ పేరేంటి?
వేరే కలర్.
Vivan. And we have Chandaka about it.
సో మీరు అందరూ మీ పేరు రాసేసుకొని డేట్ వేసేసేయండి ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ. టేక్ your pencil.
I'll write it for you.
Write here on the color. If my name is Rama, right? So I'll write my name Rama. And what is today's date for you all? For us it is 1st April 1-4 2023. I'll write this.
It is March 3rd, 2023.
Very small.
For you all, is it 31st?
31st, yes, it's March 31st.
It's 31st. So write your name. Write.
Very small. Okay, next time. That's okay. It's fine.
So how was it?
Good.
Wanda,
Yeah.
can you all hold it for me? I'll take a picture. I want your face and yeah. I want even your face. You can hold it in this way. Yeah, good. Chandrika has holding. Chandrika chakka pattukundi.
Vivan, sit down. You come friendly now. Vivan.
Okay. Yes. ఇది ఈ షేప్ రౌండ్ గా వస్తే బాగుండేది. See that from, but first time you people have done awesome. Very good blending. చాలా చాలా బాగా చేశారు. Okay, let me click a picture for you all. Yeah, very good.
పెట్టుకోవాలమ్మా. Hold.
Yes. Smile. Both smile. Vivan, smile.
Can my cousin also do it?
ఉండు.
Yeah,
స్మైల్
you also- yeah, she also can see. That-
గైనా చూపించు.
Gaina, you also can show. You also can come onto the screen. Wow, Gaina, you have done great job. Yeah, great. Very good. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Smile, everyone. Chandrika, I need a smile, please. Why don't you say cheers?
Chicken the pesto. Cheese. Done.
Done. Thank you. So you all loved it?
Yeah.
You all like it? Yeah. So we'll be doing
I have to tell you one more thing.
tomorrow. We'll be doing.
You're the best teacher in town.
Indeed.
You're the best teacher in town.
Oh my God, that's a great compliment. Thank you. Thank you, Bhavati. Okay. So teacher will be doing. Yeah. What will you do, Stefan? You want to show me something? Wow.
It's upside down.
Okay.
Pikachu, good. All Pokemon.
Don't be silly. Vivu, why you still have that at your house? Yeah, why do you? Vivu, you finished it?
Nice, Vivan. Very nice. All we'll be drawing very soon this Pikachu. Shall we?
Okay.
He's waiting for Pokemon.
Yeah, we'll draw the Pikachu.
Pokemon.
నాన్న చూపించారు అప్పుడే
We'll draw the Pokemon. Okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Captain.
Bye.
Bye. Oh,
Bye.
bye.
Say bye, Bautik.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Chandrika. Vivan and Biha, bye.
Bye.